LA Tower, Jetblue 523 on the visual 25 left.
Jetblue 523 Tower and 24010 when 25 left, it's land.
25 left, clear to land, Jetblue 523. Tower, JetBlue 523, Mayday, 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 declaring an emergency. We've had to shut down our number 2 engine.
JetBlue 523 left, United 2234, just hold position there, short of Hotel 9.
I will hold position short of Hotel 9, United 2234.
Okay, 1653, continue holding in position. JetBlue 523, same intentions, we do have emergency vehicles going out now. JetBlue 523, same intentions.
We'd like to just stop on hotel somewhere here and have someone come out and take a look at our engine.
JetBlue 523, that's approved. Just hold position at your discretion.
Hold position at our discretion, JetBlue 523.
MAYDAY 644, Tower.
Go ahead, MAYDAY 644.
MAYDAY 644, go around, fly, or correction, you can track the localizer and climb maintain 2000, MAYDAY 644.
Okay, go around to 2000 with the runway heading on MAYDAY 644.
JetBlue 523, we'd like to change over to my emergency frequency 127.85 if you can.
The 673, visual 25 left.
Tower, go around, track the localizer and climb maintain 2000, please. Start the 673, go around, emergency in progress, track the localizer, final approach course, climb and maintain 2000.
Roger, go around, track the localizer, climb maintain 2000, Delta 673.
Head on MAYDAY 644, fly runway heading.
Runway heading on MAYDAY 644. That's not going to ever step on it.
This is just 792 LA Tower, runway 25 left, continue. Sorry. R5, that is affirmative. They are currently on hotel short of Juliet. He had an indication on one of his engines, so they want you to go ahead and check it out before he continues his taxi. Hey, MAYDAY 644, fighting at 236.
236 on heading on MAYDAY 644.
Delta 673, fly runway head.
Flying runway heading Delta 673.
Yes, they are. JetBlue 523 is currently on hotel holding short of Juliet. R5 at Juliet, cross runway 25 right, traffic in position. MAYDAY 644. MAYDAY 644, contact target departure 124.3.
24-3 at MAYDAY 644.
Delta 673 at the shoreline, fly heading 236.
At shoreline, fly heading 236, Delta 673.
This is Jet 972, go around, track the final approach course, climb maintain 2000.
Go around, final track heading.
Delta 673, contact departure 124.3.
24.3, Delta 673.
C5162, there's traffic at 3 o'clock and 3 miles. It's a Airbus for the north side, 4,300. You have them in sight.
Efron, we have it inside, 976.
C5162, have you maintained visual separation from that traffic? I need to move your runway to 24 right. The south complex is closed for emergency.
Okay, maintain visual and for runway 24 right,
Negative, down to C5162, 24 left, Lima. You're clear to visual approach, runway 24 left.
Visual, runway 24 left, 961.
Okay, with 6220, you're going to change your runway to 24 left, report the airport in sight, 12 o'clock, 25 miles.
24 left, you're going
You'll be, yeah, with 620, clear to visual approach, runway 24 left. And there's going to be traffic we're going to need to see for the outboard runway. I'll call them out in a bit.
This is Jet 972, and you were supposed to maintain 2000, sir.
Okay, my reset was 6,000, sorry for that. What are you going to do?
This is Jet 972, fly runway heading.
You're flying runway heading and altitude, please.
2000.
Okay, descending back to 2000, let's Jet 972.
LA Tower City out 05 is holding short of 25 left at Foxtrot for
Op 05 from Foxtrot, proceed on runway 25 left.
From Foxtrot, runway 25 left, 05.
This is Jet 972. You can amend altitude again. Maintain 3,000, please. 3,000.
3,000 feet, Vista Jet 972.
This is Jet 972. Flight heading 236.
Confirm heading 23.
236. This is Jet 972. Flight heading 236.
Heading 236, Vista Jet 972, 3,000.
This is Jet 972. Contact departure 1243.
Departure 1243, confirm this is Jet 972.
Yes, this is Jet 972. Departure is 124.3.
This is Jet 972.
LA Tower City out 05 is clear, runway 25 left at Hotel 7, runway 2 standard.
City out 05, roger.